to use GribView. So here is the main view. I just opened the file with multiple messages. What you can see is that you have a cursor here with down under the actual values that are at this given point, and you can scroll or you can drag using the mouse with the right click, and you have also a color scale. Then you have all the fields and you can scroll up and down either with the mouse or with the arrow. A nice ability is that to visualize it, you can just go there or change the color scale. And even if you decide if you don't want to auto fit, then you can remove that. And as well, it's very nice for filtering your file. So here you get the indices. This is all the messages that are within the file you just opened. So the file or the many files that you have opened, you can open as many GRIB files that is on your and you're gonna get that by the command line. So if you want to select not the data date, but the short name, the validity date and validity time, and I don't mind having the level, I can have that. Then I can order by a short name. So here you see that then everything is filtered by the short name. So, and then I have, if I am interested in only into the 10-meter UWin component, as I can read down under, then I can go there. Then I can either go to the where it goes to V here, and this one I can remove. To remove, I just press backspace, delete on my keyboard. But what I can also do is to make multiple selections. So take this one and another one, another one, another one, and remove some of the list, or even another one here, and scroll down to the very bottom and remove all of them. So only thing I have left is the value. So now that I have filtered my GRIB file, I can also extract some values at specific points. So I will have a time series. So I add a few markers, and each of the marker will be for one piece of the time series. And then I can run the extraction. I will remove the auto refit. And basically for each of the point here, it will store the value. So here it's a UWin field. So it auto scrolls for the whole data set. And then for these three markers, I have this graph here, which just represents the values that are scanned at the very location. So I can make it. I can even move it during the field, and it will record the value of the marker at the position. And at the end, so we are almost here at the end. I can click on the graph if I want to stop it prematurely. And then at the end, I will have my whole time series. But what I can do is I can save the CSV. So here I will save it here, or I can browse to server. And so I have the CSV file which is extracted from here. On this field, I can see the properties, or I can see it for any field, and I can save the extracted GRIB message, just one message. Or one, now that I have extracted from my big GRIB fields with many different variables, then I can also decide that I can make the whole selection of everything. like that. And I can have selected 736 messages, and I will call it 10u.grib, and I can save the selection. Up, it just saved it there. So basically, what I have now, so it browse almost all the capabilities of that. So if I go there, I closed it. I have this one just here. So this is the markers.csv, so it's all my 10u things. That's the marker number, and the validity time. It's because I have selected that in the keys and the values there. And I can also see that the 10u GRIB is here, and it's much lighter than the big one that was there, and that was about 23 gigabytes, and this one is only one variable extracted, so it's 3.6 gigabytes. What I can do with this is to run GribView, you either have to download it and get DMG file, but then it will stay in application folder, GribView. Applications, GribView, app, contents, resources, and contents, macOS, GribView. It's here. So basically, if I want to open a GRIB, I can either start that and it will open my window, or I can do that and like here I land skin temperature, this one, and it directly opens the things. But I can also open this with this data and add another GRIB like the volumetric layer. So it opens two GRIBs, and it just open. So on the window you see that it opens many because it's 3 dots, and I can see here that is that I have like these two variables. So it's skin surface temperature, so, and that is in Kelvin, and here is the volumetric soil water layer 1, which is in cubic meter per cubic meter. And same here, I can add markers, run extractions, stop the extractions, save the CSV, look at my files. I can also even open also open file that will be of different that will be like this one, which is not the same shape like here. So it's it's not ERA. But if I add the marker in this shape, because it sticks to the latitude longitude, even if I go back to the other one, marker should still be here. So when I perform extractions, it will perform extraction at the same location. so my CSV file is consistent with the data that has been extracted. So it's good for quick visualization. You see, I just opened a 20 gigabyte file in matter of seconds, but you can also use it to make extraction, which is quite useful just to make some data validation or just some rapid stats that at one point. Thanks a lot.